Welcome. Today, let's walk through the updated steps to share a friend's Snapchat profile so you can help your friends connect faster than ever. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of your screen and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This takes you straight to your profile page, where you can manage all your connections. Next, tap on My Friends. Here, you'll see a list of everyone you've added. Scroll through your friends list and find the friend whose profile you want to share. When you spot their name, press and hold down on it until a menu pops up. At the top of this menu, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on them to reveal more options. From here, select Chat and Notification Settings. This will open up a new set of options related to your friend's profile. Now tap on Send Profile To. Snapchat will prompt you to choose where you want to send your friend's profile. You can pick another friend, a group chat, or even share it through other apps, depending on what's available on your device. Once you've selected the destination, just hit Send. That's it. Your friend's profile is now on its way, making it easy for others to add them with a single tap. Sharing a friend's Snapchat profile is a great way to help your circle grow and keep everyone connected. Whether you're introducing friends to each other or just making it easier for someone to find a new contact, these steps make the process quick and simple. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips to make the most of your Snapchat experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy snapping!